Want to get paid for your YouTube videos? I'll show you exactly how to sign up for AdSense, link it to YouTube, and what happens next, step by step. Google AdSense is the platform that pays creators for ads shown on their content. For YouTube creators, AdSense, specifically AdSense for YouTube, is the payments account that receives your YouTube ad revenue. Details from Google help. Before signing up, make sure you have a Google account, two-step verification turned on, and you meet YouTube's monetization eligibility for the partner program. YouTube recently updated eligibility, expanded YPP. Generally, you need to meet the channel activity thresholds and follow YouTube's policies. Sign into the Google account you want payments to go to. Option A, from AdSense site. If you want a general AdSense account, go to adsense.google.com, click Get Started, follow prompts, enter country, account type, payment currency. Google AdSense Option B, from YouTube Studio, recommended for YouTube creators. Follow the link to create or connect an AdSense account and complete the form. When you create AdSense from YouTube Studio, YouTube will automatically link it to your channel. If you made AdSense separately, use the monetization page in YouTube Studio to connect the payment account. In AdSense, you'll add your payment profile, full name, address, for the PIN, and your preferred payment method. Bank transfer is common. In many countries, Google requires identity address verification before paying you. Google mails a PIN to the payments address you enter. It typically arrives in bathroom shots on Trom, Bob Botson, Fod Duryer, Ein Bon Bot Satzer 4 weeks. When it arrives, sign into AdSense, payments, verification check, enter the PIN to verify your address. AdSense has a payment threshold. You'll get paid once your finalized earnings meet the threshold for your currency. Many accounts default to $100 or equivalent. Payments are processed monthly once you pass the threshold and all verifications are complete. On YouTube, your earnings come from multiple sources: ad revenue, ads before, inside videos, YouTube Premium revenue, and other features you enable, Super Chat memberships. Ad revenue depends on CPM, RPM, viewer country, ad formats, niche, and watch time, so earnings vary a lot. If your PIN doesn't arrive after 3-4 weeks, request a replacement from AdSense. If sign-up is rejected, check AdSense program policies and YouTube monetization policies. Keep two-step verification on the Google account used for payments. If this helped, like and subscribe. I'll make another video showing how to set ad formats, read your AdSense reports, and increase RPM. Ask below if you want a full walkthrough of YouTube Studio monetization settings.